Hello there. Today you will learn to create functions in JavaScript using function declaration. A function declaration starts with the function keyword. This is a reserved keyword in JavaScript, which means as developer we cannot create a variable whose name is function. A function declaration is followed by the name of the function. It is then followed by the list of parameters passed to the function. These are also known as input to the function. Then, a function body is enclosed within the curly braces. Inside the function body, there could be one or more statements. And finally, a function returns a value back to the caller. This is the most common form of creating a function in JavaScript. Now, let's look at an example to understand this better. First, we use the function keyword. Then, we give a name of add to our function. Next, we create two parameters a and b as the inputs to our function. Then, we have curly braces and the function body. Inside that, we create a new variable c which adds two numbers. And finally, the function returns the value of c. Now, once we have created a function, how do we call it? It is as simple as writing the function name and putting the arguments inside the parentheses. So in the case of our add function, that translates to add followed by 10 and 20 as arguments. One thing to note here is that when declaring a function, the inputs are known as parameters, while when providing the inputs during the function call, they are known as arguments. Let's create a function and run it. We create a function with function keyword and give it a name of add. It takes two parameters a and b. Within that, we create a new variable c that adds two numbers. Then we return c back to the caller. Then we are going to call the add function with 10 and 20 as argument and print it on console. As we run, we can see the value of 30. And that's it. If you liked the video, consider subscribing us to receive more engaging content about JavaScript every week. See you next time.